Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to report your Cash App card as missing. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've misplaced or lost your Cash App card. How do you actually go ahead and report it on Cash App? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you're going to click on Cash App, and then on the bottom left hand corner you want to click on the rectangle icon next to the $sign. Afterwards, the first important thing you need to do is lock your Cash App card so that it can no longer be in use. But after you lock your card, you want to scroll down to where it says Get Card Support, and then from here you want to click on Report Card Issue, and then afterwards you want to click on Card Stolen or Card Missing. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report a Cash App card as missing. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.